Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox not opening error on iPhone and Android phones. So let's get started without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store and then search for Roblox. So I'm searching a Roblox. As you can see guys, it's showing me the open and play. So you want to download the Roblox, it's showing you the play. So you is showing the update. So update the Roblox app and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is fixed, go for the next one. Next one is open your settings, scroll it below, and then tap on this apps. So tap on applications and then search for Roblox. So you want to search it, it's showing me the loading. So that's something guys, search for Roblox. As can see, this is the Roblox. So tap on storage and using. So tap on clear cache and clear data and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. So tap on force stop the app and then check whether the problem fixed or not. If the problem doesn't fix, go for the next one. Next one is uninstall your Roblox and then reinstall. So check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem doesn't fix, go for the next one. Next one is open up your settings and just scroll down, tap on system settings. Scroll it, tap on backend update. So tap on reset phone. Tap on this reset network settings. So give it your passcode. So give it. Tap on this reset network setting. So hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe my channel. You have a problem, let me know in the comment. I help you more. Thanks for watching.